everybody, it's Kelsee Briana J here with a video on some new eyeshadows from Sydney Grace. These eyeshadows just launched on when? A holiday. It was my birthday. So I'm like, I have to have these eyeshadows without a doubt. Anything that launches on my birthday, I feel like it was specifically made for me. My birthday was on January 23rd. So I'm like, those are my eyeshadows, mine. So to my surprise, right? To my surprise, I go to my P.O. box and what do I see? A package from Sydney Grace with all of the eyeshadows in it. And I'm like, I'm floored. I was so excited that they sent those eyeshadows to me and they didn't even know that it was my birthday. I'm like, thank you for this birthday gift that you didn't know that you were giving me. So of course you guys know I had to do a video on it, so that's what we're doing today. I'm going to be playing with these eyeshadows, and before I say any more, let me show them to you. So these are the new eyeshadows that they just launched. I've conveniently placed them in this palette. No, this palette does not come with it. This is just a palette that I've had lying around. They're like military, grungy, green, just gritty, just like sexy grunge colors. Was that a good description? I grew up in the 90s. These colors definitely hold a special place of nostalgia for me. So very excited to have these colors, and plus they launched on my birthday, duh. These eyeshadows are sold individually, and all of the matte ones cost $5 and the shimmery ones cost $6. So these are very affordable eyeshadows for the quality that you are going to get. Like, the quality of these eyeshadows is insane. All of these colors are super gorgeous. Now, a few of them do look similar. There's a few colors in this launch that kind of look similar, like the brown ones, but as you all can see, there's slight variations in them to where they're going to look different. They're going to apply different and show up different depending on your skin tone. I can see the nuances in the color, but if you're a person who thinks a brown is a brown is a brown, you may not need all of them, but I do think that they're all beautifully formulated, and you can choose one or two or three or four. Just buy them all. I will say that there's more so of a hint of green in this color that's not really present in Cadet. Recruit is almost like a dark pewter type colors. They differ enough to be able to justify having both in your collection. But if you're a person who's on a tighter budget, or if you're like, I already have so much, like I need to pick, then you can easily pick between these two and these browns up here. Other than that, all these colors in this launch are really beautiful. But I want to go ahead and jump into swatches of these colors, and then following that, you all can watch me create this beautiful eye look that I created. Let me know what you think down in the comments section, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I already have concealer on my eyelid, so what I'm going to do now is create a base of a look, and I'm going to go in with the Autumn's Rain palette, and this palette has a little bit of lighter colors that are more suitable for transitions than the eyeshadows in this new launch. So I'm going to take a Royal and Langnickel BOM 44 brush and take the color Nature's Crown, which is like this mid-tone brown color, and I am going to take this color back and forth in my crease, and this is going to be our transition color. And as you all can see, even though this color is a little bit lighter in the pan, it shows up kind of dark on me. So I'm just going to take this with a light hand and blend it back and forth. Make sure you blend this step because this is one of the most crucial elements in getting a really nice eye look. So take your time and go back and forth and blend it. Now I'm going to go in with a more tapered blending brush. This is the Chikuhodo GSN 10 brush, and I'm going to take the color Vanguard. Let's move ever so slightly down and take this color directly in the crease. Wow, this color is very, very pigmented. So I just lightly tapped into it and I got all that pigmentation. Definitely use a light hand with this color because you do not want to oversaturate the look and make it look too dark. This was just one little dip, and that's pretty much all you need to get the definition that you need from this color. And as you all can see, this color definitely goes on a little bit darker. It's very pigmented. So I'm just going to take my time and blend this out. I'm taking this directly in the crease. As you all can see, I'm not going to take it too far up because we already applied a transition color, and basically that color is going to help us make a gradient look. So now I'm going to dip into the color Alpha, and on the same brush, I'm taking it on the side and patting it on the edge of the outer corner. And I am building this color up on the outer edge and then taking the tip of the brush and lightly meeting it up towards the crease. I am not going to take this color in the crease because I don't want it to be super, super, super dark. I don't feel like I need to go back over that. These colors are very nicely saturated, so I'm impressed. So now I'm going to dip into the shimmery eyeshadows. I'm going to take a flat shader brush. This is the Esom G27 brush, and I like it because you can pack on color and get those shimmers to really pop. I'm going to start out with the color Cadet. I am going to pack that right here on the lid. Make sure to press it next to this outer corner color, and I am just going to build this color up. It's very shimmery. It's a different type color. It's like a sage type color. I don't really have too many colors like this in my collection. It's a very modernized grunge color. I like it. So I just wiped off the brush just a little bit, but I'm gonna go in with the same one. Let's take the color Herky Bird. Now this color looks very similar in the pan. When you apply it, it goes on a little bit greener. So I am going to take that more so towards the inner corner. I'm still not taking it all the way on the inner corner, and I'm gonna blend over a little bit of this shade that I just applied to. Another Esom brush. This is the Esom pencil brush, the S31. Let's do that inner tear duct color. I'm gonna go in with the color Recruit. Let's pop that on the inner corner and then build it up and bring it over. So I'm going to take that same color and put it on the lower inner corner as well. Also make sure you connect it with the top. Same brush that I wiped off. I'm going to take the color Commission because I am dying to put this color on my lid today. So I'm going to put that on the middle of the lower lash line. And lastly, I'm going to go back with Alpha and connect it to the top. So on the very outer corner of the lower lash line, apply that color. I'm going to go pretty lightly, and then I'm going to wrap it around. So now I'm going to add liner and lashes and a few finishing touches to my makeup, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the final eye look. Love it. I love the way that my eye look turned out. I feel like it's undeniable that Sydney Grace makes a good eyeshadow. Their eyeshadow formula is so impressive and it's so affordable at the same time. And I think that these colors are super fun, something different, something a little bit more grungy, and I'm here for it. I love this eye look. I love these eyeshadows. I can think of so many different looks that I would want to do with this color combination. Colors that are a little bit different and things that you don't quite have readily in your collection. I love the tones of these colors. They're grungy, but yet they're not unwearable. I feel like you can wear these during the day. You can wear them at night, and I feel like they're just really beautifully formulated. I love the mattes. I love the shimmers. So if you are looking to update your eyeshadow collection and you want to add on more colors that you may not already have, then look no further. Sydney Grace is popping. Sydney Grace has created some of the best eyeshadows that I've used in a long time, and the price of them is just a bonus. I would easily pay more for these eyeshadows. Like, you don't have to do a lot of stuff. You don't have to go over it a million times. You don't have to build up the shimmers 1,000 times. You're gonna get that pigmentation with one swipe. So I'm here for it. I love these colors. I appreciate you all for sending me these eyeshadows. I truly appreciate it. Honestly, I was so shocked when I saw them in my P.O. box. I was like, I wasn't expecting it, and it was like a little birthday gift to me because these launched on my birthday, so I feel like it was destiny for me to have them. Love the color scheme. Let me know if you all have tried Sydney Grace eyeshadows down in the comment section. They are truly an amazing company, so let me know if you've tried them. If you have, what are your favorite colors from them? I'm definitely going to pick up a lot more because, as you all can see, I have a half empty palette, so that's never good. I'm definitely going to be placing an order and getting more. So let me know your favorite colors down below. And if you have not already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will check you all in my very next video. Smooches. Bye.